Hey guys, this is mjavedva with another tutorial whether how we can add a welcome message on our subreddit. Now let's add a welcome message a new member will receive when he/she joins our subreddit community. And to add a custom message, go to More Tools and select General Settings on the sidebar. Scroll down a little bit if needed and turn on this option. Here, just write your message and you have a limit of 5,000 characters. And to test it, you can just send a message to yourself, then click on Save Changes. Now, go back to your subreddit main page and refresh it. Here, click on Messages under Notifications, and this is how your message will show up. And this is how we can add a welcome message on our subreddit. And if you have stayed this far, please consider supporting by liking, subscribing, and sharing your thoughts in the comment section. And I hope this will be helpful for someone out there. And thanks for watching.